stock.
Good
Nice.
enough. Got it.
Ranking bodies.
Yeah, sure.
Nice. Ah,
Snowstorms
si bossing ko pwede. Ipit pare. Lash. Lamot na ito par. Tangin na mo. Sige pare ko eh. Tangin na voice line dyan. Tangin ang voice line siya na po. Wala nga para. Ang lambot gogo.
Let us fight.
Nagulat din ako. Ha? Oo, pwede rin. Pre, habang nag-ano, ano muna, ayun.
Yeah, no.
Sige, gawin natin yan.
Yes.
Ay, gago ka, wala.
Excuse me, but your bottom tower is
Lambot gogo. Pwede to, si Boss Gab na lang. Ay. Grabe yung drunken, ano. Level 3, pre, kukuha ko na sa snowball. Hindi kayo makakapag ano dito. Tango para. Ay, di ba? Ano pa pala? Ranking bodies. Pwede yan. Snowball ako, pwede. Kaya lang, pag nagpakita, wala eh. Kaya magpakita ni Eyeball eh. Kaya may sentry pala. Pasampal-sampal nga niyan para pagka ano. Yes, man. Wala dito, les, boss.
You betcha.
Ay, gogo, sarap po. Ay, yun, nag-stick na. Okay, pre. Next. Ito, pre. Gogo. Ang ano. Sarap. Pinalo up ko yung ano.
Want to try your luck?
Okay.
Let us keep this clean.
regrettably your middle tower is
Ang
under attack.
importante, win strike yung posta. Yan. Sarap.
Why not?
Tama nga ano eh.
Bounty.
7 minutes, guys.
Okie dokie.
Hindi ko makontest. Going top daw.
I take no pleasure in informing you that Dyer's courier has been slain.
Going din ako kung gusto niyo.
Sounds like
Medyo
a
safe
good
naman
idea.
din. Ay, gago. Sige pare, tama clear lang. Tama. Isa pa. Para mag-reset. Nice. Dali.
Yeah,
7 minutes up. Good one. Tara pre. Huwag natin pa. Ay, may ulti na to. Uy, di na ano. Uy, gago ka. Tapo. Ay, gago. Sige. Walang damage nga yan. May lash ah.
Your top tower is under
Ayun.
attack.
Ay, tagal to. Patay na 2 weeks to eh. Gago, patay ka ata.
I'm under attack.
Tango. Pwede ata. Ano mo naman. Tama ka dyan, par. Ayun, na-stun tayo. Ito pa, pre. Suntok-suntokin mo lang, pre. Paluin mo, pre. Putay na mo. Yan, pre. Will plead.
You betcha. Good to be good. Yeah, sure.
Hindi yata itong mid kasi snowball ang mabibigay ko.
The north comes with me.
Okay. Pulling in the
Onward.
deep.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
Onward. An exceptional one.
Your bottom tower
Dali.
is under attack.
Take it first.
Dito na lash para. Solo lang to pare. Wanna go?
Yeah.
3/4 pa. Nag-pull.
Time to prove.
Pero,
Let's go.
Ay, gago menos. Ay, tatlo. Alis ka, Pat. Tatlo dito. Ay, Michael. Patay ka ba? Hey! Nice one. Okay na yun.
Your top tower is under attack.
Ay, patay yata. Ay, wasted.
Your
Okay lang.
bottom tower is under
Walang
attack.
ulti yan. Ay, nasagana yun ah. Pero pwede ako mag-TP mid pare.
One of those kind of fights. Yes.
Your bottom tower is under attack. Excuse me, but your bottom tower is under
The
attack.
Lord comes with me.
Ah, para.
You betcha.
Asan? Tayo na, ganda ng ano natin
Your
yan ah.
bottom tower is under
Timing
attack.
ah.
Does this happen a lot? Structures are fortified. Very nice. Dire structures your bottom tower is under attack.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure. Kain ko lang ito. Papasik ako.
Yeah.
Oh, dito. Sharings.
The sparrow.
Naglalag ako.
Yeah.
Uy,
Yes.
uy, ako. Yan pala yun. Nagpull.
You betcha. Come and fight me.
Uy. Galit ah.
Snowstorms are
Less tayo, less lang, less. Ah, may soda oh.
good to be good. Why not?
Going mid. Ah, nag-coil na. Nice one. Ah, may tipe rin. Nice one, boys. Si Ben? 14 seconds. Push.
Good idea.
We can go, boys. Okay.
I say. If you say
Isa pa akong sod. Wanna go top? Going top.
Excuse me,
when
but
you
your
are
bottom
ready.
tower is under attack.
Yeah. Bounty.
Bounty.
Your bottom tower is under
Yes.
attack. Does this happen a lot?
Snowstorms are coming.
Mga bata. Wala na.
Let us keep this.
Your bottom tower is under
Mas na yung
attack.
bottom din pala.
The enemy's top tower has fallen. There, your
Ay, bottom. Sa SF tingin par. Nandito ako sa likod manggagaling.
Yeah. So bad.
Maris na. Tingin ko mayroon dito. Nakita yung pop ng sod ko kanina. Kay Bad.
Why not? When you are ready. Yeah.
Ay, dalawa.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Apak.
Sounds like a
Okay,
good
apat.
idea.
Center eh.
You betcha.
Okay.
I've
Ginagawa
never
tayo sa mid,
seen
guys,
Radiant's structures
Pushing
looking
sila
so
mid.
fortified.
Hindi. Wala lang guys. Gusto ko lang tanggalin yung sentry niya dito eh. Okay, back to farming. May sword pa ako if you want that Medusa here. Medusa. Wanna go guys? Hindi, mabilis yan makapag Courier?
More death.
You bet.
Courier para. Gago ko. Mali pa yung nahuli. Yung pa yung drunken bodies ang putik. Ay, drunken bodies. Tama.
Got it.
At last, the enemy's middle tower has fallen.
Soft their own. And you say go.
Got it. Yes.
Center yan, so. Tagal pasod natin. 4 minutes. Gusto mong mag-farm sa baba, pare lalagyan kita ng words doon. Ito, kuhain mo na to.
Snowstorms are coming.
Ano, gawan kita ng words dito. Para masulit mo tong bottom.
Got it.
Ito pare, pwede ka na dito. Ay, may pack. Ayan pare, medyo maliwa.
Why not?
Going. Lash rock guys. Ito na. Ay, gago ko.
Yeah.
Let's go.
You betcha.
Excuse me, but your bottom tower is under attack.
Keep it coming. I say.
Back, going.
Your middle tower is under attack. Just thought you'd want to know.
Gago ko. Gago ako. Wag. Malalim na. Yes na kayo. Apat to. Wag. Apat tag-TP.
Regrettably,
alas ka na dyan, par.
middle tower is under attack.
Uy, baka makita. Sakto lang lang. Aning. Saan? Dito. Ayun. Ito. Ito sa likod. Ito na in ba? Gawing din ako. Ano go sa Ito. TP mid. Ito para.
Cracking and ready. Want to try your luck.
Okay. So may sentry kami dyan pero nawala. Di na-ward na.
Yeah, sure.
Your middle tower is under attack. Your middle tower has fallen. To know.
Yes.
Nice one. And Malib. Nice, very good. Well played. 1 minute pa, Forsod.
Wanted to try your luck.
Okay pa tayo.
You betcha.
Pang need mo pare. Okay, kailangan naman.
Sounds like a good idea.
Tanggal ako ng words dito.
Let us
Sana
keep
wala.
this clean.
Wala.
Yeah.
I can't quite
When you are
identify
ready.
these trees. I wonder if there's a field guide.
Got it.
Out pa dito. Out. Guys, tatlo. Solo yata tong Medusa sa baba.
Here I come.
Dash. Kaya tayo.
Wanted to try your luck.
Nice one, nice one.
Got it.
Para. Dash mid. Pwede ba yan? Going kami mid. Going boys. Kakatipi lang ng mga yan.
Storms are coming.
Nahuli ko? Ay, nag-ulti par. Alis ka na par. Nablock ko pa. Nice, patay ito. Ito par, huli oh. Oh, buyback, Lash. Patay na itong pack. Oh, go. Ito wala na itong ulti guys. Ayan, ito yung totoo. Awesome. Lumambot.
Dyer's structures are cunningly
4,
fortified.
3, 2. Sod up. Pwede yata i-push mid. Hindi. Going din naman. Kukunin ka.
I say.
Kawawa, gagi. Damn.
The enemy's middle tower has
Tier 2 guys. May isa pang tier 2 dun.
Yes.
Mana.
The North comes with
You'll be delighted to hear the enemy's bottom
Oops.
tower
Save.
has fallen.
Yun be bossing.
time to punch things out. Let us keep this
Ay, puta, gaganda lalo niyan pag gaganyan yung mga updates.
if you say so.
Yung mga updates, panalo tayo sa ay. Dire-diretso lang. Kulang na lang, tanangan niyo sino pa next. Nice. May sod pa akong isa, guys.
Yeah.
One to go. Hindi walang obs. Ay, ito na, meron na. CD. Kuhain pa lang.
Okie dokie.
Uy, going na. 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness. Pwede kaya tayo?
Yeah.
Going kami. Tara, boys. Connect.
Sounds like a good idea.
Lash. Hipit. Patayin natin, ubusin natin.
No. Cookie punch. Got it.
End. Patayin natin.
In a stroke of cunning or perhaps of desperation, Radiant's structures are
Ayan,
not
hindi
only
mo.
fortified, they are positively glowing. The enemy's middle tower has fallen. It's too good to be true. The enemy's middle barracks has fallen. The enemy's middle barracks has fallen.
Sakit. Palagbos oh. Brewmaster guys. Wait. Ito na palag pwede. Lambot lang yun. 2 hits. Let's go. Nice pasok. Pwede ka mag-magnetize price. Silence. Yun na naman. Nice one. Uy! Sabi ka naman dyan,
Dyer's
Dads.
structures are fortified. They are looking quite that your
Relax lang, bossing.
tower is under attack.
Swagger.
Could be good.
Oh, Ares. 24.
When you are ready.
Tayo mag-RS, patap. RS tap. 30 minutes, 30 seconds pa naman.
Storms are coming.
Di naman kakontes ata to. Sino nag-EMB? Ito.
You betcha.
45 si plus 15. Mano.
Yeah. Why not?
Ayan, okay na, akit na.
Yeah.
Si Idol.
Nothing quite as restful
Got it.
as a river.
You are going nowhere. Yes.
Ayun, ako, Lods. Wala. Di ba contest? Tagal lang online.
I say.
And so, Roshan passes into history, leaving nothing
The
but
North
fond
comes
memories, a taste of immortality, and a questionable cheese. Your bottom tower is under attack.
Sounds like a good idea.
Your bottom tower is under attack. Does this happen or not?
Parang dalawa na lang ata
Excuse me, but your bottom tower is under attack.
Ano?
Your middle tower is under attack.
Uy, sakto lang. Oo yung.
Your bottom tower is under attack. The enemy's top
Yung nag-ulti na.
has fallen. Your bottom tower is under attack.
Inaawat. Sa pa pre, naawat. Sakto sa pakyan pre. Naawat na naman. Haluin mo na lang kaya pre. Mus na ata. Ayos na. Ilang ano na yung ultima pre, ayaw ituloy ah. Yan, natuloy din. Putek na. Ice band yan, Easton. Gawin. Third skill par.
Sick. Earnage.
Uy, isa lang. Wag. Wag yan.
Top barracks
Bad.
has fallen. Pat yourself on the back. The enemy's top barracks has fallen.
Let us eat and another boat. You bet.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen. The enemy's middle tower, anything but advantageous. Victory of the Roshans. I like to think your success
Wag.
is a testament
Bad yan,
to
bad.
proportion.
And the winner by unanimous decision is
Ayun, naka 3 games na tayo. Nice games. Ay, Boss Robes. Uy, magpahinga ka na. Liquid, liquid. Kulit nga. Oh. Nice game, nice game. Okay lang boss, may nakalimutan din ako. May nakalimutan din akong abay. Second game. Yun na yung next pick ko rin. Parang parehas yata tayo ng tiniting ng ano na boss eh. Apo. Ano, ang... Okay naman po yung ano, okay din yung drop din natin dun sa ano. Pero more of, ano, siguro yung 1 at saka 2. Since nagbabalik laro pa si Bossing, ano rin. So, may ano pa naman tayo. Apo. Let's see nga po. Apo. Wala, apo, wala namang ano siya, parang wala namang, parang halimbawa, parang lahat naman tayo gusto mag ano eh. Apo, ano, challenge po kasi namin practice. Yung morphling na yun, sinabi ko yun, tara, papahirapan kita. Sabi ko, ayun. Hirap talaga. Di dapat amin talaga yun, Boss Gib, yung ano, ba. Opo. Pero goods po sila, goods po sila. Marami rin kaming nakita. Okay po. Naglalaro pa rin po. Po. Dito ba? Wala. Wala na po. Opo, nag-shop po siya kanina po. Kaya di niya daw gamay yung mouse. Opo. Hindi boss, ano lang, yung ano, parang yung YOLO lang na mag-dive in. Kasi pag andun na kami, parang go kami. Nagsasabi na kami ng maaga. O, go tayo ah. Hmm. Yung rotation. Ah. in-stream ko lang.